So good morning everybody. Welcome to Sakala YouTube channel. Okay, still joining. So the pair of straight line actually chapter has not been completed. Still yet to be completed. Some 10 or 15 problems are there. In the evening session I will complete it. But I need to start even second year syllabus also. I need to complete it. So that's why today I start new chapter. That is also very important chapter that will be useful to not only for EAMCET. It may be useful for all competitive entrance examinations like ESET examination also, AP ESET and Telangana ESET. So this will be very useful chapter. Okay, even Telangana AP EAMCET also very useful. Narla Venkateshwarlu, next where had you been yesterday? Prasanna, Jayachandra, Rajesh Reddy, Sanjarani Cheti, Ashwareddy, okay, Kartikeya, Swati Singh, Chinta Vinoda, Dishwank, Prasanna, Vaishnavi, Murthy, Kiran Rider, Kirtana, Swati Singh, Kirtana, Lavanya, Jyoti, Suryateja, Preeti, okay, Swati Singh, Kumar, Vinil, Bilvika, Tejasvi, Chandana, okay, Praveen, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna come both asked one question. What is the use of it means? It will be useful to you. What is the use of these classes means? I cannot give the answer to you. So now in this time actually if you get any opportunity for the live direct classes you can attend. So that depend upon you. Okay. Niviredi, Jyoti, Kitana, RN Murthy. Hi. Ajay Khanna. Okay. Amburi Mohan Rao. Okay. So thank you for your cooperation. Where is Dhruhams today? Where had you been? So actually I shall be so thankful to Mr. Dhruvam. She actually helped me regarding the description of our YouTube channel. So he drafted it. The credit goes to him itself only. Like that only I asked you, everybody should become the one of the volunteers of our YouTube channel because our YouTube channel is for social cause. So that's why once again I request you, you need to help whatever help actually you need to do for the benefit of our channel that will be indirectly benefited to the total children of our state and our country. So that I think so. I expect the more cooperation from you. Okay, right. Everybody is giving good feedback. Very good. So if you give the good feedback and comments, better actually instead of giving this live chat, even in offline also you give the comments that will be preserved so that I will go through very easy manner. So I will improve myself. Understood now. Thank you. Indefinite integration. Today is part 1. Today is part 1. Thank you. Okay, this actually that's why only in indefinite integration we have the many formulae, but we need to, if you know the derivatives of formulae, that indefinite integration formulae also we can remember. So weightage is actually 4 to total integration chapter is 4 to 5 marks. Not only indefinite integration, definite integrals and areas, differential equations and everything comes under. Total integration part from second year is 5 to 6 marks. Okay. So now First one, d by dx of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So let us find out derivative of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now what do you get? Here 1 by n plus 1 is constant. We can take 1 by n plus 1 common. Now this is d by dx of x to the power of n plus 1 is n plus 1 times x to the power of n plus 1 minus 1. N plus 1 cancel. We have x to the power of n. Understood now? Derivative of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 is x to the power of n. So what is actually, I don't go very in detail about the indefinite integration. Directly I go for the formulation itself only. So now integration symbol is actually summation. Integration means summation. So summation begin with the s letter. Elongated s is the symbol for integration. So that's why we can write integral x to the power of n dx equals to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. N plus 1 by n plus 1 plus we get constant of integration. But here one condition is there where here n does not equal to minus 1. This condition is very important. So that means now some examples we can discuss. Integral of what is root x dx. Integral of root x means this is x to the power of half plus 1, 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So this we can write 2 by 3, x to the power of 3 by 3 is x root x plus 3 plus c, sorry. Now similarly integral of 1 by root x. Integral of 1 by root x dx. That will be integral x to the power of minus half dx. This is equal to x to the power of minus half plus 1 is x to the power of half. And by half you get 2. That is equal to 2 root x plus c. So integral of root x is 2x root x by 3. Whereas integral 1 by root x is 2 root x plus c. So similarly we shall discuss some other examples. Integral of 1 by x square dx. This is minus 1 by x plus c. So integral of 1 by x cube dx. This will be how much? X to the power of minus 3. So that means x to the power of this will be minus 2 by, will be getting x square plus c. Now tell me what is 1 by x to the integral 1 by x to the power of 4 dx. Very simple to write. Minus 1 by 3x cube. 1 by x to the power of 5 dx. Minus 1 by 4x to the power of 4 plus constant of integration. Constant of integration. Right? Right. Integral 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. Integral 1 by x cube is minus 1 by 2x square plus c. Integral 1 by x to the power of 4. Integral 1 by x to the power of 5. The speed we need to increase while doing the problems. So next. So this we have discussed. First this point and this point and this point, this one and this one and this one. So you need to remember. Okay, next now let us move to second formula. Second formula. d by dx of log x or log mod x, no problem. Derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. Therefore integral of 1 by x dx equal to log mod x plus c. Log mod x plus c. Okay, sir, why do we integration? So with the help of integration, actually, we can find out volumes and areas of the curves. Even it will be useful for even all civil engineering and etc. Even for NASA also it will be useful. So that means here you remember one condition actually here. What is the condition? Means integral of x to the power of n dx equal to log mod x plus c if n does not n equals to minus 1. This is very important, you remember. Okay, integral of 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, so now integral of x to the power of n dx equals to log mod x plus constant of integration if n equals to minus 1. So this we need to remember. Okay, so next integral 1 by x plus 2 dx. So directly we can write log of mod of x plus 2 plus c. Integral 1 by x minus 1 dx. This will be log of mod of x minus 1 plus c. X minus 1. Integral 1 by ax plus b dx. This will be log of mod of ax plus b. Ax plus b derivative is a. That means 1 by a plus c. So you remember this one, right? Now third formula. Third formula. D by dx of e to the power of x. That is e to the power of x. Therefore, integral e to the power of x dx is also e to the power of x. There is only one function whose integration and differentiation is same. So understood now. So that means now integral of e power 2x dx equal to e power 2x into half plus c. Integral of e power 5x dx 1 by 5 e power 5x plus c. Integral e power ax dx 1 by a e power ax plus c. Integral e power ax plus b dx 1 by a ax plus b derivative e power ax plus b plus c. And very important, one more thing you need to remember, integral e power minus x dx, that is minus e power minus x plus c. So this is e power x. E power x. Pani, how are you? Okay, now you are working as an assistant scientist. Congrats. Pani is my student. Meet Mr. Pani is my previous student. When I think Pani I taught in 20 years ago to you. Nice of meeting you. Okay. All the best, Pani. You bless our all our children now. So now the fourth point. D by dx of a power x. What is a power x derivative? A power x into log a, this derivative. So d by dx of a power x by log a derivative. So that means here see 1 by log a is common. We know that d by dx of a power x is a power x log a into a power x log a. So log a gets cancelled. We have a power x. So therefore integral a power x dx equals to a power x upon log a plus constant of integration. Plus constant of integration. Okay. Okay, Pani, you bless my children, my today our viewers now. So next example, integral 2 power x dx. 2 power x dx is equal to 2 power x upon log 2 base c, that is actually plus c. What is integral of 3 power x dx? 3 power x by log 3 plus c. Okay. Integral of a power cx plus d dx. So that is equal to a power cx plus d upon log a into derivative of cx plus d c into 1 by c log a plus c. So that means, for example, we have one example. Integral 3 power 5x plus 7 dx. This equals to 3 power 5x plus 7 by log 3 multiplied with the derivative of 5x plus 7. This log 3 should be multiplied. 5 plus c, constant of integration. Constant of integration. Okay, now this is a power x. Next, fifth point. D by dx of minus cos x. D by dx of minus cos x means minus common. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, so that we get plus sin x. Therefore, you remember integral of sin x dx, very danger. You need to remember, very careful. Derivative of sin x is positive, but integral of sin x is not positive. Integral of sin x is minus cos x plus c. This you need to remember, very important, very important. This you need to important. Yes, integral of sin x dx is minus cos x. So let us do some examples now. Examples. Integral sin 2x dx, that is equal to minus cos 2x upon 2 plus constant of integration. Integral of sin 5x dx, minus cos 5x upon 5 plus c. Integral sin of ax plus b dx. This is minus cos of ax plus b upon a plus c. And fourth point, integral sine of x by 2 dx, that will be minus 2 cos of x by 2 plus c. So it improves our speed while doing the problems. Sine of x by 5 dx. Now you can say answer minus 5 cos of x by 5 plus c. And next, integral of sine of x by n dx. This is minus n times cos of x by n plus constant of integration. Right. Sancharani, Cheti, y divided by 2 means just you differentiate minus cos 2x by 2. What do you get? What is the derivative of minus cos 2x by 2? That is sin 2x into 2 into 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, sin 2x. That's all. Mohit Mekala, just now he actually after a long time I meet my student, one of my students, Pani. He is the scientist now, he is working as a scientist. Just now in the live itself only I met him. So you need to take the seniors' suggestions. We need to give the respect to them. Sixth, d by dx of sin x. So derivative of sin x is cos x plus cos x. So it is obvious that integral of cos x dx, equals to sin x plus c. Sin x plus c. Right. Thank you, Pani. Okay, see you. Bye. So now integral of cos 5x dx. This is sin 5x upon 5 plus c. Integral of cos of ax plus b dx. That will be sin of ax plus b upon a plus c. That's enough. Okay, let us make it fast now so that you can understand. Right. Those who are any beginners are there, you need to practice. Even ESET students also, just go through them. You will get good marks in your ESET examination. Okay, seventh, d by dx of log secant x. Let us find out the derivative of log secant x. What is the derivative of log secant x? Anybody? What is the derivative of log of secant x? Even derivative chapter also will be revised now. So what is the derivative of log of secant x? Log x derivative is 1 by x, we know. Am I correct now? So that means log secant x derivative is 1 by secant x multiplied by secant x derivative is secant x tan x. So secant x gets cancelled, we have tan x. Therefore, we can say integral of tan x dx. Integral of tan x dx is equal to log mod secant x plus c, or we can say minus log mod cos x plus c. You can ask one doubt, how should we write minus, sir? So how should I write minus means secant x is nothing but 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x means cos x to the power of minus 1. So minus of, using power rule, that becomes minus log of cos x plus c. So even you can find out tan of ax plus b also. I will write directly tan of ax plus formula, and then I will switch over to the other formula, because to make it fast. Integral tan of ax plus b dx equal to log of mod of sec of ax plus b into 1 by a plus c. D by dx of log of minus log of cosecant x. D by dx of minus log of cosecant x. What is the derivative of minus log of cosecant x? So derivative of minus log of cosecant x is minus common d by dx of log cosecant x. This is minus 1 by cosecant x, whereas cosecant x derivative is minus cosecant x cot x. So cosecant x gets cancelled, 1 minus 1 into minus 1 plus cot x. Therefore, now we can write integral of cot x dx. Integral of cot x dx is equal to minus log of mod cosecant x plus constant, or we can write log of sin x plus c. See, Sangaraju Ramachandra Raju garu, see in the description already I have given. Now the description has been modified. In the description you will be getting even Telegram group and WhatsApp group. You can join, and some important videos links have been given in the description. First subscribe and like, comment it, and see the description. So tomorrow, today onwards, nobody don't give the WhatsApp number and etc. That has been included in the description itself only. Okay, ninth. D by dx of log of secant x plus tan x. What is the derivative of log of secant x plus tan x? What is the derivative of log of secant x plus tan x? Anybody? So log of secant x plus tan x is equal to log of secant x plus tan x. Not about you, Mr. Ganesh. It will be for the newcomers. Okay. Right. Let us see. This will be 1 by secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x multiplied by secant x derivative is secant x tan x plus tan x derivative is secant square x. Take secant x common, we get 1 by secant x plus tan x. So multiplied by secant x has been taken common out, we have secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x, secant x plus tan x gets cancelled, we have secant x. So therefore integral of secant x dx is log mod secant x plus tan x plus c, or log of because here I will give one important concept to you. Secant x plus tan x is equal to, in trigonometry part we have studied, that is tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 is nothing but secant x plus tan x. So in the place of secant x plus tan x, tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 also we can replace. Don't get confusion. Sometimes options may be, instead of log of secant x plus tan x, log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 may be there. So that means we need to be very careful. Because Chandanasri, are you following? No problem? Okay. Right. Next, 10th one. D by dx of log of cosecant x minus cot x. Cosecant x minus cot x. What is the derivative of log of cosecant x minus cot x? Okay. Second group will start. Right, Suma. Narla Venkateshwar Rao. Okay. Karthik. So now let us find the derivative of log of cosecant x minus cot x is 1 by cosecant x minus cot x into derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x, but minus cot x differentiation is plus cosecant square x. So in the numerator let us take cosecant x common. If you take cosecant x common, we have cosecant x minus cot x upon cosecant x minus cot x. Cosecant x minus cot x. What happened now? Cosecant x minus cot x, cosecant x minus cot x, both have been gets cancelled. We have cosecant x. So that we can write integral of cosecant x. Integral of cosecant x. integral of cosecant x. See, integral of cosecant x means integral of cosecant x dx is log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus constant of integration. Or see, this cosecant x minus cot x is cosecant x minus cot x equals to tan of x by 2 from trigonometry. You can check it. How to prove means cosecant x means 1 by sin x, cot x means cos x by sin x. We get 1 minus cos x by sin x. That is nothing but tan of x by 2. So that's why now we can write, this can be written in terms of tan also. Log of mod of tan of x by 2 plus c. Okay, this is actually integral of cosecant x. So far we have been discussed integral of sin x, integral of cos x, integral of tan x, integral of cot x, integral of secant x, and integral of cosecant x. Okay, you might have followed. Okay, so 11th one. Now the special type, d by dx of tan x. See, the d by dx of tan x is secant square x. Therefore, integral of secant square x dx equals to tan x plus c. Even you can remember integral of secant square of ax plus b dx equals to tan of ax plus b tan of ax plus b multiplied by 1 by a plus constant of integration c. Okay, so next, d by dx of cot x, d by dx of minus cot x, that is cosecant square x, because cot x derivative is cosecant square x multiplied by minus. So therefore integral cosecant square x dx, cosecant square x dx is how much we have, that is, so minus 1 by sorry, minus cot x plus constant of integration. So now integral of cosecant square of ax plus b dx is, you will be getting, that is actually minus 1 by a cot of ax plus b plus constant of integration, plus constant of integration. Okay, thank you. Next one, d by dx of sin hx, sin hyperbolic x, that is cos hx. That means integral of cos hx equal to sin hx plus c, sin hx plus c. D by dx of cos hx is sin hx only, positive only. Integral of sin hx dx equal to cos hx plus c. D by dx of tan hx is secant h square x. Integral secant h square x dx is tan hx plus c. D by dx of minus cot hx is cosecant h square x. Integral cosecant h square x dx is minus cot hx plus constant of integration. So d by dx of minus secant hx, secant hx tan hx, secant hx tan hx. Integral of secant hx tan hx is minus secant hx plus constant of integration. Next last formula. In this one, hyperbolic functions. D by dx of minus cosecant hx. Cosecant hx cot hx. Therefore, integral of cosecant hx cot hx dx. This is minus cosecant hx plus constant of integration c. So all these we need to one day, just today you practice all the formulae. You need to practice first derivative and antiderivative. Antiderivative is integration, that's all. Derivative, anti-integration, both will be covered now. Any new viewers are there, any newcomers and beginners, even EAMCET beginners, even who are going to first year to second year also, they can understand my class today. Because your throat carrier is actually based on integration and differentiation itself only. That will be continued as long as your study continues. Even up to even post graduation, everywhere you need to apply differentiation and integration. So 18th formula, d by dx of sin inverse x, d by dx of minus cos inverse x, both have the same value, equals to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That's why integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx equals to sin inverse x plus c, or sometimes you can say minus cos inverse x plus c. That you can write it. Right, here we shall discuss something now. For example, integral 1 by root of 1 minus ax plus b whole square is there, dx. What you need to write? Sin inverse of ax plus b. To ax plus b derivative is a, so divide by a, 1 by a plus c. So you remember this one. Integral 1 by root of 1 minus ax plus b whole square equals to 1 by a sin inverse ax plus b. d by dx of tan inverse x. This is d by dx of minus cot inverse x, both equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. Minus cot inverse x plus c. Right. Integral 1 by 1 plus ax plus b whole square dx. This will be 1 by a tan inverse ax plus b by ax plus b, that's all, plus constant of integration. So while doing the problems, I won't explain all these things. That's why today all of you need to practice all these things. Right. Just remember this one now. I will give the formula for integral 1 by x root of x square minus 1 dx is secant inverse x plus c. Sometimes rare cases we will use it, this one, so that you can leave it now, no problem. So now 22nd, d by dx of sine h inverse x. This is 1 by root over 1 plus x square. That's why integral 1 by root of 1 plus x square dx is sine h inverse x plus constant of integration. Even integral 1 by root of 1 plus ax plus b whole square dx. This is 1 by a sine h inverse ax plus b plus constant of integration. Or this can be written like this also, or log mod x plus root of x square plus 1 plus c. Okay, that also we can write it. 23, d by dx of cos h inverse x is 1 by root of x square minus 1. So integral 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx is cos h inverse x plus c, or we can remember log mod of x plus root of x square minus 1. Already we had a discussion in hyperbolic functions. In hyperbolic functions also we have discussed this one. D by dx of tan h inverse x, that is 1 by 1 minus x square. Therefore integral 1 by 1 minus x square dx equal to tan h inverse x plus constant of integration. So this is actually total formulae we have discussed. Again you need to review this, all the formulae, revise them. Okay, important results. Important results. Okay, first result. First one. See, integral of k f of x dx. For example, k is the constant. K is the constant. Then you can take out k common, then operate the integration on function f of x only. F of x dx. Okay, next second one. What is the d by dx of derivative of integral of f of x dx? This will be f of x. So what will be the integral d by dx of f of x dx? This will be f of x plus constant. See the difference between these two. See the difference between these two. And fourth property, a result, integral a f of x plus or minus b g of x dx. Both a comma b are here constants. We can write a times integral of f of x dx plus or minus b times integral of g of x dx. Okay. One more thing, remember, integral of dx is x plus c. Integral of dy is y plus c. Integral of d theta is theta plus c. Okay. Something. Integral of d of f of x is f of x plus c. Okay. So now sixth property. See, so d by dx of e power x into f of x. Already in derivatives we have done this UV formula. E power x into f of x derivative is f dash x plus f of x into e power x derivative is e power x. So we can take e power x common, we get f of x plus f dash x. So hereafter it's very important formula for integration. So now you remember this, we can write now integral of e power x into function plus its derivative f dash x dx is there. That means what can you write means this e power x is multiplied by function, you will get it. So that's why this equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So without performing integration, directly we can write it. This is called reoccurrence formula. Reoccurrence formula. So this is very, very important. So now let us do some problems on this one. First problem. Suppose like this, integral e power x into sin x plus cos x dx. See, what is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? See, the sin x derivative is cos x. So we get now e power x multiplied by sin x. This answer is e power x into sin x plus constant of integration. So now one more, integral of e power x into tan x plus secant square x. Tan x plus secant square x dx. So now here see, the tan x derivative is secant square x. That's why f of x is tan x, f dash x is secant square x. So we get e power x into f of x. That is e power x tan x plus c. Okay. We discuss more problems in the exercise also. Just I am giving some examples to you. D by dx of x f of x. X times f of x. So what is the derivative of x times f of x? X into f of x. What do you get it? That means UV formula you need to apply. X into f of x derivative is f dash x plus f of x into x derivative 1. You get same thing. So that means you can remember integral of x f dash x plus f of x dx is there. Equal to, we can write here x into f of x, x f of x plus c. Let us do some examples. See, integral x cos x plus sin x dx. Just you observe, f of x is sin x, this is f dash x. So what do you get now here? X into sin x equal to x sin x plus c. Integral x by root of 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x dx. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? So here you remember the sin inverse x derivative is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So that we get x multiplied by sin inverse x. So that means x sin inverse x plus c. Okay, in the problems actually we shall continue it. Integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. This is sin inverse x by a, you remember. Sin inverse x by a. Examples, let us practice some examples. Integral 1 by root of 4 minus x square dx. Integral 1 by 9 minus x square dx. Integral 1 by root of 7 minus x square dx. Fourth example, integral 1 by 25 minus 16x square dx. Fifth one, integral 1 by 9 minus 3x plus 4 whole square dx. Integral 1 by root of 7 minus 5x minus 4 whole square dx. Now I have given 6 questions to you. All of you answer them now. I will wait for 2 minutes. Now 10:35 up to 10:37 you need to solve all these problems. So Narendra, if you practice problems, every formula we can remember, don't worry. So our brain is actually capable of remembering all these things by practice. Unless you won't put the practice, you cannot learn it. This integration is very easy chapter rather than all the chapters. Right, first one. Now 1 minute is their time. So I will write, you need to check your answers now, all of you. See, this is actually 2 square. This will be sine inverse x by 2 plus c, correct? This will be sine inverse x by 3. This will be sine inverse x by root 7, because 7 is not a perfect square. So we need to write root 7 square. That's very important. Next, when you come to this problem, very carefully here. 16x square, this will be 4x square. Sine inverse of 4x right on upon square root of 25 is 5, but 4x derivative is 4, so 1 by 4 need to be written, plus c. Here sine inverse 3x plus 4 by 3, 3x plus 4 derivative is 3, so 1 by 3 plus constant of integration. Understood now? So this equals to, we can write sine inverse of 5x minus 4 by root 7, and 5x minus 4 derivative is 5, 1 by 5. Definitely if you follow all these things you will be proficient. Yes, difficult type on keyboard. Okay, you can say no problem, leave it. That's only, see, you understood my problem also, same thing here. It's very difficult to write on the digital board. Now you might be facing same problem. Okay, all of us are facing same problem itself, right? So now the ninth result. integral of 1 by root of a square plus x square dx is sine h inverse x by a plus c. Okay, right. Integral 1 by root of 25 plus x square dx integral 1 by root of 7 plus x square dx integral 1 by root of 36 plus x square dx fourth one integral 1 by root of 5 plus 7x square dx integral 1 by root of 49 plus 3x minus 5 whole square dx. Okay. Just I will give 2 minutes time. You need not type, just go through it, write down your notes. Today I am giving a lot of practice. If you practice it, no problem. Okay, this will be sine h inverse x only by 5 plus c. This will be sine h inverse x by root 7 plus c. Sine h inverse x by 6 plus c. This will be sine h inverse root 7x by root 5. Derivative of root 7x is root 7, so 1 by root 7, right? Plus constant of integration. This will be sine h inverse 3x minus 5, 49 square root is 7, 3x minus 5 derivative is 3, so 1 by 3 plus constant of integration. Plus constant of integration. So Venki Prasanna, you know about Sachin Tendulkar? Yes. Why did he become legend? While he was playing cricket, the ball appears to be a football to him because he had practiced in such a manner. The practice is very, very important. Right. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So if you practice it, definitely will get success. Tenth one. Integral 1 by root of x square minus a square dx. This is cos h inverse x by a. So now you just practice it now. This is left to you. You prepare the models after completion of my session and you practice on this one. Right. Not because of hard work. Regularly he practices for at least 2 to 3 hours. In net practice he will do. That is his specialty. So that he got succeeded. Next, integral 1 by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus constant of integration. And next, 12th one, integral 1 by a square minus x square dx. This will be 1 by 2a log of a minus x by a plus x. Yes. 13th, integral, I think this is a plus x by a minus x. You check it once again. X square minus a square dx. Partial fractions, with the help of partial fractions we can do it, no problem. 1 by 2a log mod of x minus a by x plus a plus constant of integration. Plus constant of integration. Right. Yes, are these ninth standard formulae. Standard formula in intermediate we might have practiced it, isn't it now? So now the 14th one, integral root of a square minus x square dx. Integral root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x root of a square minus x square upon 2 plus a square by 2 into integral of 1 by root of a square minus x square, that is sin inverse x by a, plus constant of integration. This is also very, very important. You need to remember. 15th, integral under root of a square plus x square dx. X under root of a square plus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a plus c. Next, 16th one, integral under root of x square minus a square dx equal to x root of x square minus a square upon 2, danger here, minus a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a plus constant of integration. Plus constant of integration. Yes, I explained you how to remember this means. For example, how to remember this integral root of a square minus x square dx is equal to always x root of a square minus a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 into integral of 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. This already we know. That's why we got sin inverse x by a. Similarly, you can remember root of a square plus x square also same. Root of x square minus a square also same. You can remember. You can remember. Don't worry. What is your easy way? What is your easy way? Right. Next, integral f of x to the power of n into f dash x dx. This is f of x to the power of n, f dash x dx is there. This is f of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant of integration, where n does not equal to minus 1. You need to remember. Okay. Now based on this, actually one important question may be asked in the examination. That's very important question. I will give it. For example, integral sin x to the power of 8 by cos x to the power of 10 dx. For example, this question is asked. What is our answer? What is our answer? That only I have written. X into given plus integral of given. That's all I have written. That's the easy way. You might have not listened. You. What is integral of sin x to the power of 8 by cos x to the power of n dx? This type of questions may be appeared in the examination. Understood now? This solution, see, let us say I equals, generally we can say integral. We can write like this, sin x to the power of 8 by this we can write cos x to the power of 8 into cos square x dx. So this is now sin x to the power of 8 by cos x to the power of 8 is tan x to the power of 8 into 1 by cos square x is secant square x dx. Now how does it appear? This is f of x. This will be derivative f dash x. So answer is f of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is tan x to the power of 9 by 9 plus constant of integration. This we can do it. Right. Tan x to the power of 9 by 9. Ashwaradi, correct. Yes, you can apply gamma function also. Gamma function is actually, that is, we can apply the gamma functions for uh, definite integrals whenever limit should be there. Right now, 18th one, integral f dash x by f of x dx. This is very important tool for us. Most of the problems will be solved by this, using this one. F dash x by f of x dx. This will be log mod f of x plus constant of integration. One example let us solve. One example. Integral 2x plus 3 by x square plus 3x plus 5 dx. You check it now here. Right. Here see, d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 5. Derivative of x square plus 3x plus x square plus 3x plus 5 is 2x plus 3. That means suppose this is f of x, this will be f dash x by f of x. So answer will be log of numerator by denominator. Numerator is the derivative of the denominator, then log of denominator, x square plus 3x plus 5 plus c, you can write this answer. So very good, everybody is doing wonderful job now. Integral f dash x by root f of x, this is equal to 2 root f of x plus c, 2 root f of x plus c. What is the weightage? Weightage is more for integration part, at least 5 to 6 marks in the examination. So now one example, we'll do it now. Integral secant square x upon root tan x dx. See, the tan x derivative is secant square x, f dash x by root f of x. This will be 2 root of tan x plus c. So one more formula, integral root f of x into f dash x dx. This will be 2 f of x root f of x by 3 plus c. So you can create the example and you solve it now. That's right. 20. So what is the integral of the product of the two functions, f of x into g of x dx? Integral f of x into g of x into dx. So this is actually, you can write first function is f of x, integral of second function, that is g of x dx, minus integral of d by dx of f of x, integral of g of x dx and whole dx. But how to select first function and second function? First function and second function. This is first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function dx. But don't say that word, Venki Prasanna. I don't like that word, because we should not say that like that. I say like this, LIATE rule. LIATE rule. Okay, don't say this show like that. Now change here onwards. That is yours class. But I will change. That is LIATE. Because you should not be late. Don't say that word. Don't use that word. Use LIATE rule. Yes. Now change, all of you. Change is inevitable. L stands for logarithmic. I stands for inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse. A stands for algebraic. T stands for trigonometric. E stands for exponential. Exponential. That means e power x or a power x. Now change all of you. LIAT rule. This is the order you need to follow. So 21. First let us find out integral of sine inverse x dx. How to find out integral of sine inverse x dx? It was given in NCERT sir as they will give it. But I change, I don't follow. I have been following for last almost 28 years LIAT rule only. I don't teach that word, I don't use it. Why? You check dictionary. What is meant by late? Okay, sine versus x. Let us do it now. This one, hint. So first you write down this one as I, integral. This I will write sine inverse x into 1. 1 is the x power 0, algebraic function dx. See LIAT. LIAT. In this LIAT, this sine inverse x is the inverse function, 1 is the algebraic function. First function, inverse function we need to take, second function is algebraic function. First function, sine inverse x into integral of second function, 1 dx minus integral derivative of sine inverse x, 1 by root of 1 minus x square into integral of dx is x dx. So now we can write integral of dx is x sine inverse x. This we can write plus of minus x by root of 1 minus x square dx. If you observe this integral will be f dash x by root f of x. See, integral f dash x by root f of x dx equals to 2 root f of x. We know this shortcut. That means 1 minus x square derivative is minus 2x, but we have only minus. So supply 2, 1 by 2 into 2 write down here. So this equals to, we can write x sine inverse x plus half into 2 root f of x. This will be 2 root of 1 minus x square. 2 gets cancelled. This will be x sine inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square plus constant of integration. But hereafter don't do it. Please, you need to remember this one. So you need to remember this one. This equals to now x sine inverse x plus x into sine inverse x, you get root of 1 minus x square plus constant of integration. Even you can formulate like this. If you just for example, I have given formulation here. Everybody can formulate it. But after formulation only, everybody treat them as a super trick, shortcut, super duper trick. Everybody will say I like that only. But yourself also, you can prepare. So 22nd, integral of tan inverse x dx. Just do it now, all of you. Venki Prasanna, please stop. Try to concentrate. Tota Krishnamurthy, yourself also. I have given the question, you practice it, do it, and tell me the answer. What is the answer? Will you get it? Joseph, Suma, what is the answer? What is the answer? I will stop the class. Shall I stop the class? Okay, let me continue. Lakshmi Sahani, first subscribe. So this we can write now. I equals to integral tan inverse x into 1 dx rider using LIATE rule. This is inverse is first priority, algebra is second priority. So that means actually you get this is tan inverse x first function, integral of dx second, minus integral derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square, integral of dx is x and dx. This will be x tan inverse x. See, 1 plus x square derivative is 2x. So multiply 2 and divide by 2. 1 by 2 into 2x by 1 plus x square dx. So we have beautiful formula. F dash x by f of x dx is log of mod f of x plus c. Am I correct? So now this can be formulated as x tan inverse x minus of log mod of 1 plus x square plus constant of integration. Yes, you need to remember integral of sin inverse x dx, integral of cos inverse x dx, integral of tan inverse x, even integral of enough, integral of sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x is enough. Right. Shabana Kalim, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, because I will give one problem, directly you need to write it. What is the problem means? In the examination you may get like this question. Example. Integral tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square dx. Generally what we do, we put x is equal tan theta and dx by d theta, it will be very lengthy. But actually you remember tan inverse in differentiation already we have studied. In inverse trigonometry function also we have studied. Tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now in the place of this, replace this 2 tan inverse x. This equals to 2 common integral of tan inverse x dx. Already the integral of tan inverse x dx we know. That means 2 multiplied by x tan inverse x minus half log mod of 1 plus x square. So you are able to write like this. You need to write like this. So this equals to 2x times tan inverse x minus log mod 1 plus x square plus constant of integration. So what did you type? I didn't understand. That's why I repeated your name. So understood now? Even these type of questions can be solved. Tan inverse 2x by 1 plus x square dx. So this is equal to 2 sine inverse x. Sorry, I forgotten. Not tan inverse. This will be sine inverse. This will be again 2 tan inverse x only. Same answer you will get it. Same answer you will get it. Okay. Integral x e power x dx. Integral x e power x dx. So this also we can do with the help of the product of the two functions. We can solve it, but easy method we can adopt. See, this is exponential function. This algebraic function is there. First you need to write like this. First e power x write down. Next e power x integral write down. Here x write down. Next x differentiation write down 1. Therefore this answer is equal to, we can write like this now. Here, sorry, wait now. I'll tell you. A simple method also I will explain. Very easy method. E power x write down, bracket write down here. First x as it is write down. Next minus write down x differentiation 1. That's all. For example, if you want to write x square e power x dx. So first e power x write down x square and minus x square differentiation 2x and plus 2 plus 2x differentiation 2 plus c plus c. Now integral of x cube e power x dx. Integral of x to the power of 4 e power x dx. So you can write it. Very easily you can write it. This is called actually Bernoulli formula. With the help of Bernoulli formula, easily we can solve this one. Understood now? This will be e power x into x cube minus 3x square, alternate sign change, plus 6x and minus 6. Still constant you need to write. This e power x into x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 12x square and minus 12 plus c.